Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how you can go in and customize your gallery view database just so it looks a little bit more aesthetically pleasing with cover page images. So what we're going to do is we already have our flashcard here. We're going to click on it. And once we do that, it's going to open up the page. At the top, you will more than likely not have an image. You're going to want to go to the top area and you're going to want to hover. And once you do that, you'll see the option to change the cover page or you can reposition it. You're going to go to change it. Once you click the change button, it's going to give you an option from a gallery to choose from. You can upload your own, you can use a link from the internet, or you can use Unsplash. I'm going to go in and pick my image. Now that my image is picked, I'm going to exit out of this flashcard. Once we've chosen our picture, we are going to go to these three little dots. Once we click on it, it's going to give us a view option. You're going to go down to the first option where it says layout. When you click on layout, this window is going to populate. You want to make sure that gallery is selected because that's what we are customizing. Then you have the options to show your database title, all of these like little options. But what we want to pay attention to is where it says card preview. Once we click on card preview, it's going to give a drop down menu. Now, this is where you're going to choose how you display the flashcards. If you want your cover image to show, you're going to go to page cover. That's going to give you that picture. If you want to just show the content of the page, so anything you type in that page or the data you've entered in that page, you would enter page content. And then through here, you can go in and play around with any other little settings to customize it to your needs. And that is how you create cover images in your gallery view. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find this to be helpful too. Thanks. Bye.